Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. Today's episode takes us to the United States of America. Sewage samples may soon be used as early warning sources concerning the spread of COVID-19 in communities. Mia Matoli, an environmental engineer with the CDC, indicates that traces of the virus can be found in human fecal matter when people are infected. Independent researchers agree and state that bits of the virus can be found in the sewage water and fecal matter, and the concentration of the virus allows them to determine the threat or the possible spread of a virus in a community. Local health departments can then be advised of an area where an outbreak of the virus is likely or has occurred, even in the absence of regular testing in that community. The concentration levels of the virus in the sewage has been proven to be directly aligned to an increase in the number of confirmed cases when testing is done by medical officials. This type of research is therefore ahead of the curve in identifying community spread of the virus and is also a cheaper alternative to the resources needed to conduct random testing in communities. In this type of research, nothing goes to waste literally. So the next time you relieve yourself, you could be contributing to valid research in identifying and containing the spread of COVID-19 in your community. Share your views in the comments below and be sure to like, share and subscribe. Also check out another episode of Say What Now TV. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.